Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is EEEEE, aka Makeup by Brizzy, and we have fun on this channel. So like, subscribe. Did you subscribe? You sure? Alright. I totally believe you. But if you didn't, if you just lied to me, then click that button. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this video is kind of sloppy. So basically what I'm doing today is I'm turning myself into an Instagram baddie. You know when you see those people on Instagram and they're like, and you're like, yo, they look so good. Well, I'm about to help you look as good as them. Even, you probably already look as good as them. But I'm gonna show you how this basic girl right here that looks like a crackhead could turn herself into an Instagram baddie. And if I could do it, anybody else could do it. It's like some parts are vlogs of it, and then the other parts are another vlog, and then like another part is like me sitting down doing my makeup, which is right now. So I'm gonna take y'all back to a couple days ago. Wait, hold on. We need the flashback thingy. What you need?
And did not see. Let's hope we have better luck. So we went to H&M. We were just now leaving H&M, and we got this little black dress, and I'm not gonna show you right now. So I'll show you in the final review.
First, I went to Forever 21, but I ate something at the food court that my stomach was just feeling like so bad. So I didn't record in there. I just wanted to get out of there. And there's so much stuff in Forever 21 that you don't even know what to get. And there's so many nice stuff, but I just didn't know. Like, my brain was just not functioning. So I had to get out of there. Even though I know I could have found the outfit there if I really tried, like a really good one. But we ended up going to Forever 21, and I found this cute little black dress, which I'm not going to show you to the end of the video. So you guys stay tuned if you want to see me look like an Instagram baddie. And now, flashback to yesterday. I went to my mom's hair salon to do my...
The wind is violent. It's tweaking right now. Alright, so she did my hair. As you can see, it's super long, super cute, so much fun.
We're here. We just time traveled. Whoa, what in the world? We just time traveled. Now let's begin the makeup process. I'm gonna first go off and do my eyebrows off camera. I just uploaded the eyebrow routine, so go watch that if you want to see how I do my eyebrows and make them fleeky. As you can see, I did them a bit thicker, a bit like more Instagram fleeky type. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go make some cup noodles, and I'll be right back.
It's super hot.
I'm gonna let my soup cool down. The first step is, well, I did eyebrows, but I'm gonna spray my face with the Maui Badescu water. For primer, I have the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. It's the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Gingerbread. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Honey.
Warm honey, it's not medium. What?
I always say medium. Warm Honey, and just applying that to my dark circles. Now, moving on, I'm also going to apply the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, because those Instagram baddies, they have no dark circles at all. It's in the shade Tan Tan, and I'm just going to apply a little bit here, where I feel like the LA Girl Pro Concealer didn't cover as much. And I'm just going to apply some here, and right here, just to brighten. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier powder and I'm just going to set on where I put the concealer and on my trouble areas, which are right here, right here, my noses, my smile line, the wrinkling. And I'm just gonna blend it away. I'm gonna dab it right into my skin. So now that I am totally set, I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour and my bronzer. Okay, so right now I'm going to contour with the Lorac Pro Contour Palette. And I'm going to be using this medium contour shade right here. And with this angled brush, I'm just gonna apply some. I don't want it to look too harsh like in the last video. My contour was so harsh. I'm gonna be bronzing as well with the ABH powder bronzer in the shade Saddle. I'm going to apply blush with this Kabuki brush. So yeah, this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party with like 4 A's. Look at this. It fell and it's like almost done. I don't know if you can see, but let's see. So now that our face is like semi-snatched, we're gonna cut our cheekbones with the Laura Mercier powder, of course. I'm going to try to contour my nose, which I just never do it right. I'm gonna use the bronzer, the ABH bronzer. So I have this crease shader brush. I'm pretty sure it's not the right brush to contour your nose with, but whatever. Bronze, whatever you want to call it. And then go down here for my eyebrow to right here. And then another line here. Now I'm just gonna apply some concealer to see if I could fix this. First, I'm gonna put some powder here. Now I'm just gonna add some concealer right around the middle. I feel like I made my nose look bigger. I always do this, like every time I try to contour my nose, I feel like I always make my nose look bigger, and yeah, that's what I feel like right now. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and do something with my eyes. Taking the excess that's on my beauty blender and just applying that to my eyelids. Going in with the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm gonna go in with Punch Me, which is this one right here, and 10% off, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply that to my crease, just so the eyes have like a little shadow, and it's just not like plain, you know what I mean? So Punch Me is going in the crease, and 10% off is going right here on the outer part, and then blending in towards the crease. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm doing a wing liner. I have the Tarteist dual eyeliner. This is the liquid part. And we're just going to wing it. I don't want to do like too much wing, but not too short, you know what I mean? Is that good enough? I feel like that's an okay amount. But I know for sure that this eye is not going to look the same as this one. So hopefully I do it the same. So I'm going to go put on some eyelashes and I'll be right back. I've added the eyelashes and black eyeliner under on my lower lash line and mascara on my lower lashes. So for now I'm using the highlight. I have the Jeffree Star King Tut highlights, and I'm going in with this fan brush from Vanity Planet and just applying. I'm adding some in the inner corner with this small cream shadow brush from Vanity Planet. And apply some on my brow bone. So for the lips, I have this Ashton from the ABH lipstick collection. And I'm using this Avon lip liner in the shade Mystery Mauve. So hopefully this combination looks good. Now I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think I'm done? Do you think I look like an Instagram baddie or what? I think I look pretty good. Not gonna lie. I think I look pretty good. Now it's time for my hair and my outfit. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing right now. So right now, I'm wearing this sweater and these socks with these white, what are these called? White sweatpants. So I'm gonna take off this thing and put on my dress that you'll see in a moment. So look, I'm a blink, and this is me with my bag. Me looking like a baddie already. I just realized I have to take this off now, my sweater, to put on the dress, and like I'm gonna mess with my hair. So I have the autofocus feature on, and it's so annoying, the noise it makes, and it's always trying to focus. So this is it. I recorded the rest on my phone, which I'll insert the clips here. So I'm switching back to my phone. Yay! But this is the dress. I'm wearing those socks, so I'm gonna put on some boots. Right? So I legit feel like I'm wearing lingerie. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the material of the dress. But you know, I never wear stuff like this, so I feel kind of weird. But I'm gonna put on some knee-high boots because I did not shave my legs. And yeah, so here's a hack. If you did not shave your legs, wear really high boots on. But I don't really know. I don't think they... Why I look like I have a little baby bump? Whoa there. I don't know. I like the boots, they look okay, but like it's not the same material. So that's why it kind of looks wacky. But nobody's paying me to promote this dress or these shoes. So like, whatever. And I don't... This look, it just does not feel like me at all. Like, I feel like I'm looking at someone else in the mirror, which is weird. My mom finessed my hair. I'm gonna take some selfies and try to get like a good Instagram picture. It's all about finding the right angle. Oh my gosh, that was so hard. What's an Instagram baddie without Facetune? Come on. That's the thing about things like that, right? So nobody's perfect, and we know that. But there's still people out there that like they think like, oh my gosh, this person's so beautiful. Why can't I be as beautiful as them? But everything's not as it seems. Like on Instagram, people use Facetune to make their skin look smoother, make their nose look snatched, everything snatched. So don't be discouraged if you think like, oh, I don't look as good as them. You can look this good too. I promise you. Anybody can. And you gotta take a lot of pictures. Look, these are all pictures from today. All of these are pictures from today. So I'm gonna take this picture. I use Facetune all the time, but I never really use it to refine my nose, and sis, I just legit snatched my nose. This is the before. Like, as you can see, it's like my face is not the smoothest and my nose looks a little bit big. And then this one is the after. Like, I look smoother. It's just minimal changes that really makes a change. So now I also go on You Can Makeup because this is where like you know, a lot of Instagram baddies, they have nice colored eyes. So this is imagine posting this like, oh, just did my makeup, because it looks so fake. And I click on eye color, and then I don't want blue eyes. I'm gonna go with these green eyes right here. And I think the size is pretty good. And the color, oh my gosh, if I put it like that, it looks like I'm in Teen Wolf. That's amazing. So there's a section that you could get rid of your eye bags, and I have a little bit of eye bags here even after the concealer. So I click here, and now you just press the line all the way there, and then boom, no eye bags at all. It's crazy. No eye bags whatsoever. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I'll just put the picture on the side here so you can see. In conclusion to this video, I learned something. Like I said before, everything is not as it seems. People on Instagram, they don't look exactly flawless 24/7. It's all about the angles, the lighting, the editing, everything goes into it. And the makeup, the outfits, it's a lot of work. And I feel like I need to go take a nap right now. I just want to say, it doesn't matter what you look like. All that matters is your personality and your expectations for yourself. Don't live up to anybody else's expectations. Don't look up to this person's expectation just because they get 10,000 likes per picture. Like, likes don't matter. It's just how you present yourself to the world and how you are to people. Because I believe in good karma. I do believe in that. So just be you. Never stop being you. I saw this person comment on somebody's YouTube video, and you know, Hannah Malosh. I'm sorry, Hannah. I'm saying your last name wrong. But she got a Range Rover, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited for her. And somebody commented on in the comment section. They were like, don't compare your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 7. So just because like she got a car and she's doing really big things at such a young age, don't compare. She's at a different point in her life and that others may not be in. So it's just like to not compare yourself to other people, because you're doing you. If your goals haven't been met yet, it's because it's not your time yet. So just keep on trying and keep on doing what you want to do and what you love to do. Because I'm going off topic, like really off topic. I was just trying to show y'all how to be an Instagram baddie. Whatever, do whatever you want. Facetune your face, Facetune everything. Like, it doesn't matter. As long as you're happy, who cares? And that's my brand. I'm gonna go take off these lashes and take off this lipstick because it's annoying me. And I'm gonna go take a nap. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you learned something today from my rant, my rabble, whatever the heck I was saying. I honestly don't know. But I hope you guys have a great day or great night or great middle of the night, whatever time you're watching this in. Okay? Just have a great everything. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because homegirl, I'm at my chapter 1. I'm trying to reach my chapter 10. So help me reach to my chapter 10. But
call the shots like Jello.
oh my god. That's the best feeling ever.
Kick down and swallow the show. Here we go.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Let me see you, jiggle, 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 wiggle, 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 wiggle.